Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to easily change your password on Rise of Kingdoms game. To change your password on Rise of Kingdoms, first of all make sure that you have linked an email in Rise of Kingdoms. If you have set up an email on your Rise of Kingdoms account, you can easily change your password. Go ahead and open up the Rise of Kingdoms game on your device, and once you're inside the city map home screen, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the top left corner, and from the governor profile section, click on settings at the bottom right. Inside the settings menu, tap on account. Under the account tab, look for the change password button. Click on it and then enter the verification code that has been sent to you via your linked email inbox. Open up your email inbox and you'll receive an email from Lilith Games. Click it open and write down the code that has been sent to you in this text box. After you type in the code exactly as it appears, you can go to the next field and enter a new password. Finally, click on submit and you have successfully changed your password on Rise of Kingdoms game. Now your Rise of Kingdoms account is more secure with the new password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.